Just wanted to show the as found condition here. This little guy. Where's the marking? Oh, there it is. It's Craftsman. It's got a threading chart and whatnot. Have all the change gears. I forgot what the model is of these. They call. I'll look it up. Maybe it's on the end actually. Now let's. Oh, the 109s, I think is what they call them. Not generally as favorably looked upon as like the 6/18ths, or certainly not any of the larger ones. But it should be fun to play with. Probably just clean it up and sell it. It came with a bunch of other stuff. I really wanted the drill press I got with it. It was all or nothing though. So I took it all.